Pea grinding machine is a cutout, high-efficiency equipment specially used to grind PE, PET, ABS, PE, EVA and other plastics into uniform powder. The grinding mill equipment in the video is well designed and integrates a variety of efficient auxiliary devices, including pipeline metal detectors, vacuum loaders, cyclone separators, blowers, bag dust collectors, and chillers. The overall design is fully enclosed, and there is no dust leakage. The grinding mill pipeline, cyclone separator, and other key components are made of stainless steel. This can effectively resist wear and extend the service life of the equipment. The equipped chiller can effectively reduce the operating temperature inside the grinding mill to avoid equipment damage or processing quality degradation due to overheating. Therefore, it supports 24 hours uninterrupted and efficient operation. The equipped pipeline metal detector can effectively prevent air from entering the material and protect the host equipment from damage. As the core part of the mill, the grinding chamber is equipped with high-hardness blades and precision screens. The high-hardness blades are wear-resistant and impact-resistant, keeping them sharp and efficient for a long time. The screen controls the powder size through screening to ensure powder consistency. For more information about plastic recycling, you can see our website.